Hello friends, sometimes you think that you are not able to speak in such a way the other people are speaking the English language. Whenever you watch videos on social media or news, especially on televisions in English language, then you think that you are not able to speak English language, and sometimes you feel hesitation while speaking the language because this is in your mind that others are speaking good language, you are not able to speak good language. So I think that don't I think match yourself with others. Others style is different, your style will be different. Main thing is that whatever you are speaking, speak in your simple ways. Don't use difficult words. If you don't know the meanings of some words, don't use them. Try to use some resembling words there in your conversation. And sometimes in my previous time I was also feeling some kind of shy or hesitation when I used to watch videos on some channels in English language, and you know that they are speaking very fast in fluent way and in different style. Then I was thinking that it is too much difficult to speak English language. Then after that I made myself able to speak whatever vocabulary or whatever ability I have, I should deliver according to my ability. I should not match my ability with others. Don't consider yourself that others are good and you are not good. Your abilities are yours, their abilities are theirs. So you use your skills, whatever you have. Let them others what they are doing. Don't match yourself with others. So speak. Main thing is that confidence. Confidence is required. When you are confident, then you will speak whatever you have. Deliver those things. If other is using some difficult words, you can ask him that, excuse me, I have not understood what you are saying. Please use some resembling words here or simple English, because I am not as good as you are. Perhaps you are using some difficult words and I am not able to understand. So speak with me in simple way. So I think that if you know a little vocabulary and you want to communicate with others, you want to send your views to others, you can send through simple English language. And with the passage of time, you can improve yourself, you can grow your talent, you can fill your vocabulary with other sentences, other words. But I think that if you are not too much good in English language and just you have learned to speak, to send your messages or your views to others, then it's okay. Whatever you have, deliver to others. Don't match yourself with others. Because when you watch, as I told you, news are on different topics, different happenings are in the country. So they are delivering the news. There, when non-native people are making the news or speaking the English language, they are doing the mistakes, errors. You are not judging them. So I think little mistakes are okay if you are making while during your conversation. Try to speak English language, and main motive is to make others understand whatever you are saying. If others are understanding your conversation, then it's okay, you are good, you are sending your message. And increase yourself gradually, but have some patience and speak with confidence. And in this way you will, I think that communicate with others in best way. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics, and if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other videos. So many videos uploaded on this channel. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.